We should go check it over there. I swear I heard something.
Okay, I don't think we've been this way before.
Hello, how are you?
What happened? You look like you just saw a ghost.
Oh, don't be silly. Ghosts aren't real. It was only a purple talking dog creature.
You're kidding, right?
Oh, come on. We have to go tell the others. Guys, we just saw a purple talking dog.
It's true, it really is.
You're kidding, right? There's no way that's true. Maybe you just say something funny.
Maybe it was like a mirage or something.
Maybe not a mirage, but it can't be a dog. Dogs don't live in the jungle. Are you ignoring the fact that she said talking dog?
Alright. I think maybe we should hear them out. What if it's real? We'd be loaded.
If it's real, we would be able to show up those crazy scientists, big time.
Yeah, I guess let's go and try and find a talking dog purple creature in the jungle. Can't be that hard.
This is silly. We've been looking for this strange noise for weeks.
I promise you, I've never heard of anything like it before. It's just, we gotta keep looking. It's something big, I just know it.
Fine, but only one more week. I feel like a dog chasing its own tail.
You don't think they're looking for the same thing, do you?
What if it's dangerous? What if it's a trap or something?
It's in attack on us, so I don't think it's
I don't think it's an ideal, but I guess we'll see. Something weird is definitely going on.
Whoa, people cool. Don't think I've seen any people around here before.
Oh, a squirtle. I don't think I've ever seen any of those before.
Actually, there's like an entire village just past that river over there.
Have you seen anything that looks kind of like a purple dog? A talking purple dog.
Oh no, I haven't. Sorry. So you didn't just eat some bad fruit or something. It is a jungle anyway. I'd say best bet is to check out the caves. Weird stuff is always hiding out in there.
Oh, good with stuff. Love the sound of that.
Get away, you dirty scientists. How dare you come into my hideout and try to capture me?
No, we're not trying to capture you. We're looking for an exotic creature that is unlike no other.
Okay, then why are you hiding? Why aren't you searching? You seem pretty lazy to me. We're not lazy. We've been searching endlessly for weeks like a bunch of madmen, and now we got a little bird criticizing us. This is nuts. Okay, so what are you trying to find? Do you need my help? I can help you find this mysterious creature you speak of.
That would be great. An extra set of hands, well, wings would be fantastic.
Alright, let's get this show on the road, people.
Let's go back out soon. I know we've been searching all day, but now I'm super invested.
No, I think I'll stay here. I'm too tired.
Yeah, I was really hoping to eat some of that pizza in the fridge before it gets all moldy. Oh, maybe we could give some to the dog. Dogs love pizza.
I can't believe this actually worked.
Oh my god, I love pizza! Aw, no, there's no more pizza. I like that creature!
I can't believe it. They found the new species before we did. Again, this is ridiculous.
Maybe we should all just work together. We're all good at finding and researching things.
That is probably the best idea. It's kind of silly having 2 labs in the same jungle.
No, this is crazy. We were supposed to find it. We were supposed to get rich and famous. That's it. I'm going to go back to the city to do my own research.
Will it be okay with all of you guys if I team up with you? I think I'm a pretty approachable dog. I'm really laid back and look at me. I'm a purple and I talk. It's so cool.
Can I join in too? I'd like to think I'm a pretty good lookout.
We wanna join in too. We want to explore.
Alright. I think maybe
we should, I don't think is an ideal. I forgot.
rolling. Seen something, take something. Action.
Silly to have 2 jungle.